After opening it, make sure your histogram. Now the histogram of this image is not exactly in the middle. So to achieve that, increase the exposure, decrease the highlights and the shadows. I'll increase the shadows. After doing that, you'll see my histogram is coming on the right hand side. I'll increase little bit of contrast. Texture I'll do a little bit. I'll decrease the black because I need some shadows, I need some details in black. I will increase a bit white, and finally a bit of dehaze to get the contrast back. After doing so, I'll go to my HSL adjustment panel. I'll increase the yellow and I'll increase the blue because I want this image in a complementary color palette. I'll tweak a little bit of exposure and shadow and little bit of vibrance. Now you see the result before and after. Within say about 2 minutes we have edited one pre-wedding photo, and finally I'll go to my curves adjustment and I'll make a fine S line curve adjustment to get more contrast or more saturation in the colors. So friends, this is how I edit my pre-wedding and wedding photos. I don't take much of time. My settings are very simple. See the before and after. Now I'll add a bit of noise reduction and a little bit of grains. So friend, this is how I edit my pre-wedding shots in just under 5 minutes.